I do really love the label ADD because it helps me understand, you know, some of the ways my brain works. I'm very right-brained, and you know, there are some logical things that I've missed all my life, logical steps that I haven't seen. Like they say, you know, if you ask a person who has ADD, you know, how do you write a paper? And will look at you and say, well, you just write a paper. You know, and really there are so many steps. You know, you got to go to the library, and, you know, research your topic, and then write an outline, and, you know, and it's like that stuff doesn't, I mean, those, you know, that's just one real, you know, pretty accurate example of how I spent my college years. You know, skimming and, you know, panicking in the last minute, you know, because but I had a lot of focus in the last minute, you know, and anyway, but all that's to say, like, it's been very useful for me to find skills and things outside, you know, in the world that I didn't realize I needed to help me sort of manage my life better and with less alarms going off all the time in order for me to get stuff done, but I, you know, at the same time, like, I buck a little bit against labels too, you know, because I feel like we're all works in progress, and certainly, you know, our society is pretty ADD in the way it keeps giving us stuff to pull our attention away from whatever it is we're doing. I mean, we've got like things dinging, and, you know, we're emailing and calling and walking, and, you know, like, we're doing everything all at the same time now, you know, it seems like, and science tells us we can't really do that. So we're just set up, aren't we? Anyway, that has absolutely, that was a whole tangent that has nothing to do with this next song at all. Well, I don't know. There might be some, I don't know, but this is oh gosh, this song is have any of y'all ever been to Moab, Utah? Yeah. A couple folks, okay. You know, if you haven't been there, you've certainly seen, you know, the big red rocks, you know, in pictures and in documentaries, and you know, they use that landscape all the time for inspiring things. You know, car commercials use them, you know, like a lot of car commercials in Moab. And but you know, the space itself, I was unprepared for the grandeur I would feel being there, and just really feeling the quiet motion that was there. It just was breathtaking. And so I got a chance to camp there the night before the Moab Folk Festival, and last November, and I wrote this song. Well, it was actually a couple Novembers ago, because I was there last year too, but anyway, that's specific. It's all good. Here we are. You pretend to be still, but really you're dancing. I swear I can see out of the corners of my eyes red giants doing yoga in the park at night. From a blanket of stars to a blanket of sun, both are hanging a million miles long. Red rock ocean holding up blue sky. I feel more space in my heart and mind, in my heart and mind. I won't forget to remember Moab in November. I tell you right now how to lasso hope. Go where the cottonwood trees have all turned yellow, shining like 1,000 suns in the light, where the ancient ones come back to life. I'm coming back to life. So much life here in the desert. mountains sing a prayer in Navajo. I feel more connected to the ones who came before. There is a wisdom in the air, stories carved in stone. We are all taking part in something bigger in Moab in November.